remove the return statement from before it, and you can take that to the upper line in place of the empty strings.
Yeah.
Remove the last string as well. Remove that quotation mark. No, the quotation mark before name. Yeah. And now before returning it, you can add a print statement and print the first name. Name. Yeah. And now when you run it, you will get output.
Perfect. Okay. Cool.
Right.
All right. Ending screen share. Let's do the next one.
Right. Thank you. Okay. So this time I'm gonna make it like you wanted before. Right. So we have this, and it works as expected. No, wait, it doesn't.
Yeah, I'm still here. That's okay. You can work through it. It's fine.
No, I just wanted to inform you there was a small issue in the second problem, the past names.
Oh, acha.
Right. So what we actually needed to, save the lowercase name in the dictionary. Okay. So now we can return to this one.
Okay, I think it worked.
Right. That's good. So is there any part of this that's a little difficult to understand, so I can just explain it?
No, I think let's move on to 5.